Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. I am so happy that you are here. Today, I want to talk with you about something important. The topic is you don't have to be perfect. Many people think they must be perfect. They want to do everything right. They want to be the best at work, the best in school, the best at home, the best in life. But no one is perfect. It is okay to make mistakes. It is okay to not do everything right. You are still good. You are still enough. You are still important. When you try something and make a mistake, you can learn. That is how we grow. That is how we become better. Being perfect is not the goal. The goal is to try. The goal is to learn. The goal is to enjoy life. For example, maybe you are learning English. You say a word wrong. You feel bad. You feel shy. But that is okay. You are learning. No one starts perfect. Everyone starts at the beginning. A baby does not walk on day one. A baby learns slowly. Step by step. The baby falls. The baby gets up. The baby falls again. And gets up again. This is how we learn. This is how we grow. It is the same for you. You are learning every day. Maybe you are not fast. Maybe you are not the best. But you are trying. And that is what matters. Some people think they must look perfect. They look in the mirror. They say, "My face is not good." Or, "My body is not right." But you do not need to look perfect. You are beautiful as you are. You are special. Your smile is special. Your voice is special. Your heart is special. You do not need to look like a model. You do not need to have perfect skin. You do not need to wear perfect clothes. What you need is love. What you need is kindness. What you need is to see that you are enough. The world shows many pictures of perfect people on the internet, on TV, in books. But these pictures are not real. They use filters. They use lights. They use makeup. They are not perfect people. They are just people, just like you and me. We all have bad days. We all feel sad sometimes. We all feel tired. That is normal. You do not need to hide your feelings. It is okay to feel. It is okay to be real. It is okay to cry. It is okay to rest. You are not a robot. You are human. And being human means you are not perfect. But you are still strong. You are still brave. You are still doing your best. And that is enough. Some people say, "I must be perfect at work." They stay up late. They do too much. They forget to eat. They forget to rest. They feel stress. They feel pain. But work is not everything. You are more than your job. You are more than your grades. You are more than your house. You are a person. You need love. You need rest. You need joy. If you make a mistake at work, it is okay. If you forget something, it is okay. Say sorry. Try again. Do your best. But do not hurt yourself trying to be perfect. Some people want to be perfect friends, or perfect parents, or perfect students. But no one can do everything. No one can say the right thing every time. Sometimes we say the wrong word. Sometimes we forget to call. Sometimes we feel angry. That is okay. That is part of life. You can say, I'm sorry. You can say, I will do better next time. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to care. You just need to try. You just need to be you. That is what people need. They need real people, not perfect people. Think about your friends. Do you love them because they are perfect? No. You love them because they are kind, because they listen, because they laugh, because they help. You do not need perfect people. You need real people, and your friends need the same. You do not have to hide who you are. You do not have to be someone else. Just be you. That is enough. That is good. That is perfect in its own way. In school, maybe you want to get a high score. You study hard. You want to do well. That is good. But if you get a low score, do not feel bad. It does not mean you are not smart. It does not mean you are not good. It only means you can try again. You can ask for help. You can learn more. It is not the end. It is a step to grow, a step to learn. Do not stop. Do not give up. You are doing your best. That is all anyone can do. In life, we will have many chances. We will try new things. We will meet new people. We will make mistakes. We will learn. We will laugh. We will cry. We will grow. That is life. Life is not perfect, but it is still beautiful. And you are part of that beauty. So please do not say, I must be perfect. Say, I am trying. Say, I am learning. Say, I am doing my best. And that is enough. If you feel tired, rest. If you feel sad, talk to someone. If you feel weak, remember that you are still here. You are strong. You are growing. You are learning. Every step you take is a good step. Even small steps, even slow steps, they still move forward. And that is the way. When you look in the mirror, smile. Say, I am not perfect, but I am me, and I am enough. Love yourself. Be kind to yourself. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to be real. You just need to be you. Thank you for listening. I believe in you. I am proud of you. Keep going. Keep trying. Keep being you. You are doing great. And you do not have to be perfect.